Apparently don't have a phone, you fucking liars. Right, this one's going out to my dad. Years and years ago, don't put your fucking phones away, you pricks, that's right. I'll fucking see everything. Many, many moons ago, my dad bought me a 7-inch for Christmas. And it was the song My Way by Frank Sinatra. And in that, he wrote a little letter just to say he was proud of me and he'd always loved how I'd done everything my way. So here I am tonight on stage with one of my favourite fucking bands, which is just still fucking blows my mind. And we're gonna play a cover for me old man. Love you, Dad.
I love you, my dad.
If you know the words, sing along. Mr. Jones, if you would be so kind. So I face the final curtain. My friends, I'll see it clear. I'll stay my case, of which I'm certain. Lived a life that's full. I've traveled each and every highway and more, much more than this. Did it. Alright, you fucking ready now? I can't fucking hear you. You ready now? Yeah! Come on in, fucking let's move! And so we do.
Let's go!